Welcome to this CephX tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to properly scale a 2D cephalometric image for accurate analysis. First, let's locate the patient whose cephalometric tracing you want to edit. Go to the patient's list page. Now, click on the 2D Actions menu next to the patient's name, and select Trace. This will open the cephalometric tracing in the editing interface. Click on the scale or ruler icon in the toolbar. Enter the correct scale value, and choose the correct measurement unit. Adjust the ruler on the image to match a known distance on the Ceph. Then click OK. Verify that the image is now scaled correctly. Once you're satisfied, click the Save Changes icon. And that's it! You've successfully scaled your 2D cephalometric image in CephX. Thanks for watching.